programs. Another aspect of a modern system is collection of system programs. System programs, also known as system utilities, provide a convenient environment for program development and execution. Some of them are simply user interface to system calls. Others are considerably more complex. They can be divided into these categories. First, file management. These programs create, delete, copy, rename, print, dump, list, and generally manipulate files and directories. Second, status information. Some programs simply ask the system for the date, time, amount of available memory or disk space, number of users, or similar status information. Others are more complex, providing detailed performance, logging, and debugging information. Typically, these programs format and print the output to the terminal or other output devices or files or display it in a window of the GUI. Some systems also support a registry, which is used to store and retrieve configuration information. Third, file modification. Several text editors may be available to create and modify the content of files stored on disk or other storage devices. There may also be special commands to search contents of files or perform transformations of the task. Programming language support. Compilers, assemblers, debuggers, and interpreters for common programming languages are often provided with the operating system or available as a separate download. Programming loading and execution. Once a program is assembled or compiled, it must be loaded into memory to be executed. The system may provide absolute loaders, relocatable loaders, linkage editors, and overlay loaders. Debugging system for either higher level languages or machine language are needed as well. Communications. These programs provide the mechanism for creating virtual connections among processes, users, and computer systems. They allow users to send messages to one another's screens, to browse web pages, to send email messages, to log in remotely, or to transfer files from one machine to another. Background service. All general-purpose systems have methods for launching certain system program processes at put time. Some of these processes terminate after completing their tasks, while others continue to run until the system is halted. Constantly running system program processes are known as services, subsystems, or daemons. One example is the network daemon. In that example, a system needed a service to listen for network connections in order to connect these requests to the correct processes. Along with system programs, most operating systems are supplied with programs that are useful in solving common problems or performing common operations. Such application programs include web browsers, word processors, or text formaters, spreadsheets, database systems, compilers, plotting, and statistical analysis packages, and games. Most users' view of the operating system is defined by system programs, not the actual system calls.